May I have a losses leave to mention one matter of the determination of the Honorable Justice Sengupta, Malab. That's very urgent. This was heard yesterday also, but fixed again today.
It was heard by somebody else.
No.
It's no use. I do not know what the matter is about.
No, that's my determination today.
Yeah, what can be done? Move the vacation
I will lose
Move the vacation bench.
vacation bench even I will lose because admission date is there. This is the admission your lawsuit procedure.
Admission where?
Admission in technological college.
When is the last date?
This is out of the last date because they not maintain any date at all. That's we have got the approval, the affiliation that pending. In the meantime, they extended the date. They gave the fees. It has to be hard your lawsuits because one of the
respondents. Here, tell me when to hear.
Keep it at 2 your lawsuits.
No,
I will bring the other side.
Impossible.
But then I will.
Yesterday's more than 80 matters are there which are yet to be signed, right? If I do not sign it today, then the vacation will start. It will be impossible. There are logistic issues. Try to understand.
Then your losses, do one thing. Bring it your losses, release it so that I can get it assigned because it has to be heard today.
Very well.
Do that your losses because otherwise the petition will become infructuous. I will lose the entire year. Do one thing. Either your
yesterday no interim order was passed.
No, your losses one AICT was not present. That's why his losses directed me to bring them today. But unfortunately, the judge is not sitting. That's the situation, your lawsuits.
Bring the matter, let us see. And bring all these sides together. If it has to be released at all, it will be done in the presence.
I take your losses. I will take 5-6 minutes, your losses.
In the presence of all the parties, I'll release. In case it is to be released.
All is your losses.
Otherwise, if any order has to be passed, let them be here.
At what time I will?
Immediately, I'll take up only the to be mentioned matters. I'm not touching the transfer matters. Only 14 matters are there in the list under the heading to be mentioned. So it has to be done immediately.
Item number 3 of justice.
Very well. Bring your other side.
Madam, may I just permitted to mention? Yesterday, I had a 4 matter. But 2 matter I could not appear. 2 matter I appeared. But both of them knows what I appeared. But my lord, the name has not been given. In the slip, I have mentioned that has been stapled. Kindly see those last 2 matters I don't want because I did not appear.
Possibly the video recording doesn't show you.
Kindly ask them, Malad. Because I was
asking.
I was there, Malad. Because 2 matter I don't want because I did not appear.
Give the slip.
May I have? If it is today, Malad, correction.
Yes, today only.
Today,
Only petition name and case number will be same.
What same order? Let me see once.
May I have your lordships?
2017. You are also from 2017?
Yes. I am 2017. Amit Mondal's case. I am within Amit Mondal's case. My name is.
Who is your other side?
Mr. Boisho.
Who is assisting Mr. Boisho?
Ranjan sir, Mr. Ranjan.
For which authority?
For the state and board, Mr. Mr. Ratu Mr.
Which item?
Item number 487 and 522.
487 and 522. This order is to be passed.
Lordship, may I be permitted?
Give notice. Give notice to your other side.
Yes.
Supplementary. Is there already in the list? So we'll call.
Lordship, may I be permitted to mention item number 4 of Lordship's Lordship, court number 17. This matter was listed after granting leave by the Honorable Court. Matter has not been heard. There is urgency in the sense, there is a recommendation of the ICC against me. They'll start disciplinary proceedings in the
Vacation, nothing will happen. Mention after no. I cannot help.
May I have your
all
lordships?
proceedings is without jurisdiction.
No.
May I have your lordships kindly to move a matter before the vacation bench matter? The problem is that the petitioner is a pregnant lady and has been advised by his doctors to restrict her movement, my lord, because she has already suffered a miscarriage earlier. in respect of a transfer application, my lord had already directed the DPSC Hooghly to dispose of it in 4 weeks, my lord. What has happened? They have passed an order titled as a recent order. The contents of it is it is forwarded to the board of primary education for appropriate action. This the title is recent order, but this is what has happened.
Who has taken this decision?
DPSC Hooghly, my lord.
This is inter-district.
My lord.
So it has to go to the board. It
It
has to go to the board. Then who is the board? Is the authority?
but even then, if
No,
my
no,
lord,
no.
if it is at least a direction that the board
Direction is already there. Nothing to-
direction that the board has
Sorry.
to
One matter, my lord. Yesterday, leave has been granted by my lord Justice Joyson Gupta, my lord. The lordship has heard similar issue. Now it has been settled. We are working as Shoyak, my lord, and we have to revert back to work up to 65 years, my lord. Issue has been settled, my lord. It will take only 1 minute time, my lord. Several judgment has been passed by my lord Justice Shogoto Watcha, Joyson Gupta, my lord. Kindly take up the 2 p.m., my lord. Extreme urgent, my lord, because the office of the BDO and Nodo officer, they're creating pressure upon us to fill up the EPF form.
Which item number?
I don't know, 7 and 11, my lord, of just my lord Justice Joyson Gupta.
7 and 11 supplementary list. আমাদের
I'm giving notice to my other side, my lord.
bring your other side in case
Definitely.
and supplementary list will be published immediately only after the to be mentioned matters.
May I have lordship's kind,
By 11:15, please come.
may I have lordship's,
If other side is not there, matter will not be taken up.
may I have lordship's kind leave, lordship, I'm seeking leave to move an urgent writ petition in the vacation bench, my lord, of the list of Justice Shengupta, my lord. The urgency is, lordship, this is with respect to a college where the login ID of that college has not been issued to the college, and the B.Ed the courses admissions are going on. The first phase is already over. The second phase shall start in 26th October, 21st October. Lordship, I need that leave, my lord. Otherwise, the admission process will be complete.
Very well, leave to move the vacation bin.
Lordship, may I have your lordship's leave to kindly mention a matter of original side of Justice Joyson Gupta's list. Lordship, the only urgency I've submitted my paper for re-evaluation. That re-evaluation is not happening. Lordship, I have an admission. I have a call from London School of Economics. Only direction I'm seeking is timely disposal of my re-evaluation application.
Who is going to re-evaluate?
Calcutta University.
It will not
Calcutta
take time, my lord will kindly list.
Just a
Calcutta University.
just a direction to
What is
timely.
the number?
Your Lordship, WPO number 1003 of 2024.
Oh, original.
Original side, madam.
Original side, Your Lordship.
আনিয়ে নিন সাপ্লিমেন্টারি লিস্ট এক্ষুনি বার করে দিন
I'm grateful, Your Lordship. I'll just supply
I'll
the
be taking up the matter immediately. Please
I'll
appear.
be there. I'll be there. I'll be there.
obliged.
Lordship, last year you had
Don't fold your hands.
Lordship,
Yes.
last year you had given 2 orders and they are now leading to contempt. They have not followed the orders against the KMC. So I want to file the contempt against.
You can file it in the department.
Okay. Which,
There is no leave required.
thank
হাত জোর করবেন না বলুন
আমি আমার ঘর থেকে আমার জিনিসপত্র আমার বারান্দা ভেঙে দিয়েছে হ্যাঁ আপনার অর্ডার ভায়োলেশন করেছে আপনি অর্ডার দিয়েছেন যে জিনিসপত্র বের করে দেওয়ার জন্য কেএমসি বার করে দেয়নি উল্টে আমার ঘরের ভেতর ছাদ ফুটো করে
আপনি কালকে এটা মেনশন করেছিলেন
আপনি আদার সাইডকে নোটিশ করতে বলেছিলেন
আমি বলেছিলাম দরখাস্ত করতে
দরখাস্ত একটা করেছি
কন্টেম্প্ট
দরখাস্ত
কন্টেম্প্ট
একটা দরখাস্ত
এই দরখাস্ত নয় একটা কন্টেম্প্ট পিটিশন ফাইল করতে হয়
আমার ঘরে ঢুকে আমার আলমারি ভেঙে টাকা পয়সা জিনিসপত্র দুষ্কৃতীরা সব চুরি করে নিয়েছে এই তার ফটো দেখুন
ফটোর ওপরে কোর্ট অর্ডার দিতে পারে না কোর্টকে অর্ডার দেওয়ার জন্য একটা পিটিশন দরকার একটা অ্যাপ্লিকেশন দরকার সেটা না হলে কার ওপরে অর্ডার দেব
25/8/2024 তারিখ থেকে আমি ঘরের বাইরে বারান্দায় শুয়ে ম্যালেরিয়া হয়েছে আমার ঘরে থাকার কোনো জায়গা নেই আমাকে আমার ঘরে সমস্ত দামি কোর্টে 8টা কোর্টের মামলার কাগজপত্র
দেখি আমার কোর্টের অর্ডারটা দেখি জাস্ট সি হু ইজ দ্য আদার সাইড কোর্টের অর্ডার কোথায় এটা তো উকিল বাবুর চিঠি কোর্টের অর্ডারটা কোথায়
পিছনে আছে আমি সব সার্ভিস করেছি ওদের টাইম করেছি ওরা বার করে দেয়নি
গোপাল চন্দ্র দাস অ্যান্ড কর্পোরেশন আর স্টেট আপনার এখানে কর্পোরেশনের যে উকিল বাবু আছেন,
হ্যাঁ।
আপনি ওনাকে একটু খবর দিন। চেনেন?
ওনাকে কালকে চিঠি দিয়েছি
উনি চিঠি রিসিভ করেছেন?
হ্যাঁ, এই যে চিঠি দিয়ে
আচ্ছা, ওনাকে একটু ডেকে নিয়ে আসুন।
May I renew my
Do one thing.
only to
Pradeep,
the
give
extent
a
that
call
there is
to
no
Mr. Das. Is anybody there who can intimate Mr. Das? Please intimate.
আমার 5 লক্ষ টাকা জিনিস লুট।
আপনি অপেক্ষা করুন, আমি দেখছি। Yes.
My lord, may I mention matters, lordship? Yesterday the
For
matter
what?
was appearing, lordship, A category scale.
All right.
Lordship, kindly-
Supplementary list, it will come. Lordship.
May I renew my prayer only to
Please
the
don't. Yes.
Sir, there is no direction on the board, my lord. That is the only reason I want to move.
That is the direction of the court. You have see the court's order. Yes.
My lord, may I be permitted to mention item number 99 of today's list, my lord?
What has
My lord,
happened?
my lord, if your lordship kindly recall, my lord, there was a direction to file the report, my lord, by the board, my lord. But despite three directions, my lord, they are not filing the report, my lord. Even, my lord,
What
yesterday,
can be done today?
my lord,
Today nothing can be done. Please don't
May I be
mention.
permitted to mention one matter from the determination of Honorable Justice Joshin Gupta? It is item number 5, my lord. Can it be taken up today itself?
No, it cannot be after the vacation. Yes.
My lord, may I be permitted to mention one urgent matter of my lord Justice Joshin Gupta, my lord, item number 15 of
50.
today's 15
15.
of today's list. My urgency is that petitioner was impaneled as assistant professor for my lord for the category of OBC B category as item candidate number 9. But the candidate 8 is OBC A category. My lord, he has been my lord recommended to a college. My lord, he belongs to my lord OBC A category. That is the my lord predicament, my lord. Now at
What
this,
you want to do? The matter is there in the list. Any steps taken will always abide by the result of the writ petition.
this my lord,
Provision of list pendants is there. Why are you mentioning?
if my lord today my lord some my lord,
Sorry, sir. It cannot be helped. Call the list.
Yesterday, I had mentioned 4 matters. So one matter has come, my lord. There has been. Acha, acha. ठीक. And I appear for the petition, my lord, which is. Did I just pray for the civil?
What is the order? Thank you, Pradeep.
Take at it.
Petition bench's order.
Your lordship's order.
You want this order to be passed?
Oh. A category.
All right.
A category. A category.
How many petitioners are there?
Well, there are 13 petitioners.
13.
Well, in the first matter, 13 matter raised. Other matters are many petitioners are that deficit court fees. Well, I will pay it in the course of today.
In the course of the day, all you will pay.
Online.
Very well, online. Then the first paragraph remains. District,
Well, first one is district
Hooghly, I see.
Hooghly. Hooghly.
First paragraph থাকছে petitioner primary school teachers in the district of মুর্শিদাবাদ হচ্ছে না। 1 নম্বরটা এই মানে দেখে নেবেন যেটা আছে সেটা হচ্ছে হুগলি। And একটা জিনিস লিখুন তো দেখি, learned advocate for the petitioner is directed to deposit the deficit court fees in course of the day. এটা ফার্স্ট প্যারাগ্রাফ হচ্ছে, রিসিট নেই এখানে, ডিস্ট্রিক্ট হবে। they possess BA, they a category scale of pay, তারপর যা আছে তাই, rest is the same.
Similar order.
Rest is the same. ঠিক আছে, এটা 5 है। Let me see the next one.
The order. Representation part. Not may be permitted to file every in opposition in
Yes,
respect
yes.
of item number 7. Malad, they have not.
7, I am in 6 now. This is item 6.
Sorry, man. Sorry.
It will be called one by one. This is District Howrah. Item 6, District Howrah.
You do not type it advocate.
First paragraph will remain. 15টা যেটা বললাম সেইটা। 7.
7. They have not used any affidavit in reply. I don't want. I just
Very well. Affidavit in opposition 7 একটা order line. Affidavit in opposition filed on behalf of the
state malad.
state. State respondents is taken on record. Stop. First paragraph থাকবে। Rest same. District is Bankura.
Division bench হয়ে গেছে।
আপনাকে যেটা বললাম। 8. DPSC. State, is anybody there? This is Dinajpur.
Commissioner of School.
উনি কাউন্সিলের জন্য আছে, অ্যাপিয়ারেন্সটা লিখে নেবেন। Yes. 9.
9. Sub dispose.
District 9, North 24 Parganas.
Not
ঠিক আছে? Yes.
Connection. Judgment item number 10 to 13, my lord. Yesterday, your lordship
Oh,
delivered.
yesterday's. ঠিক আছে। Oh, what is the case number? Yesterday's matter. কালকে এক নম্বরটা দিয়ে দিন তো।
My lord, it is WPA 16271 of 2024.
গতকালের লিস্টে ফর জাজমেন্ট ছিল। Yes.
Yesterday, your lordship directed to file affidavit.
Yes.
So, 10 to 12 only, your lordship please to tag the matter with me.
Yes, yes. So one affidavit will suffice.
10 to 13.
10, 11, 12, 13. Acha. Let the present writ petition be heard along with WPA number such and such. The affidavit in opposition filed by the board, not filed, to be filed by the board, may be used as opposition in the instant writ petition. Same order will be there in 11, 12, and 13.
এই যে WP নাম্বারটা লিখেন।
এই যে চারটে, 10 cases তেরো।
কবে থেকে পাচ্ছি কোথায় পাচ্ছি, কোথায়? Where is the order?
I'm for the petition. A category, my lord. Order to the fees has been paid, my lord. South, South 24 Parganas. My lord, petitioners are getting A categories. Yes, my lord.
16th March 2019 is the date.
Yes, yes.
And from 17th March.
Yes, yes. 17. Similar.
Item 14, Mr. Shopon Banerjee is there for the state. I was praying for a pass over your lordship.
State.
Same order.
Deeply obliged.
But whoever is not there, appearance cannot be recorded.
Lord, today I am appearing virtually, Lordship. Kindly
No.
excuse me, my Lord.
All right, no problem. Which matter
Lordship,
is yours?
My Lord, 5 to 9 and then 14, my Lord.
Very well.
10, I'm sorry, my Lord. That series of matters, Mr. Biswas has filed affidavit, my Lord.
All right.
Lordship.
14, there are other matters along with 14.
No. 14 is one. And thereafter, I think there are other A category, but not my matter.
All right.
And other 4 matters, yes.
এক থেকে 4 তো সাপ্লিমেন্টারি লিস্ট বেরোচ্ছে ঠিক আছে লিস্ট কি বেরিয়েছে ফাইল কি এখানে আছে আছে
Other side. কি Gaurav Das. এই তো my lord 14 other side is here, man. South 24.
You are for state?
South 24 Parganas.
Very well. Give your appearance. Please give your appearance.
Diplo.
Item 487.
Yes.
Oppose. Then it cannot be taken up. Show it to him first.
No.
Is he aware?
Yes.
Give a copy. Give a copy to him. Give a copy to him. Brief. Copy of the brief.
Yes.
I do not know. I do not know.
My lord.
Check up. Today everybody is in a festive mood. Don't get irritated.
We also.
Calm down. Is the list out? Tapan Kumar Ghoshal. Petitioner is Tapan Kumar Ghoshal. On record is Pranati Das. What is this matter? A category scale. Who is your other side? Has it been served? West Bengal Board of Primary Education. DPSC Hooghly. Has it been served? It cannot be an ex parte order. Who is there? Bring your other side. Who is there? Hooghly.
No,
Hooghly, Mr. Basu Malik.
Yes. Hooghly I am appearing, my Lord. Hooghly I am appearing.
Item 1. Let me see the service. Yes. WPA 22175 of 24, it has wrongly gone down as 22. This is not the matter. 24 is the matter. Formal order, record your appearance. Similar order. Very well, let me see similar order. This is Hooghly.
State কি আছে
সেদিন বললো বোর্ডে
Mr. Basamallik is there for Hooghly DPSC. Record his appearance and same order.
Number one is probably Howrah DPS.
Supply.
For the Howrah DPS.
What is the number? 22175.
175.
Topon Kumar Ghoshal.
No.
District by Hooghly.
177.
Wait, it is not 77. This is 75. You are there for the board. Somehow you are there, whether it is Howrah or state or board. Mr. Ratul Viswas will be there. You're
But he is holding the
everything
primary
is
education.
recorded.
But he
Yes,
is holding the all the primary education.
absolutely.
That's
Same
my
order.
lord.
Item 1, supplementary list. Yes. Service is taken on record. Service. সার্ভিসটা রেকর্ডে রাখুন। ইয়েস 22,175। আজকের লিস্টের 1 নম্বর মামলা শুধু সালটা ভুল দেওয়া আছে।
এই তো
Which one? Supplementary list 1?
অনেকক্ষণ পরে
22175 2024.
Item number 1 of this list.
Today's list 2022. This is a wrong matter.
Totally, he has gone into the festive mood.
Will same order be passed over here? Same.
177. But I'm for the council.
You are for DPSC Howrah.
তিনটাই কতজনের নোটিশ রেখেছিল
Mr. Chaudhary will be there for the board. And is anybody there for the state?
করে দিচ্ছে নাকি আমি দেখি হ্যাঁ করে দিচ্ছে
Same order.
আর উপর দিয়ে বেরিয়ে যাচ্ছে আমার কি হচ্ছে কি করছে একটু আমার
22179 2024 Sonali Ghotok Guho.
2217 yes
Deficit court fees
কত নাম্বার এটা
paid.
yes
Oh, you have the court fees over here. Achha.
page like this
Howrah is there.
Yes, I'm here.
All right. Same order, Mr. Chaudhary for the board.
next
Kaushik Chaudhary for the board.
next কোনটা supplementary discharge এক্ষুনি এখানে দেখাবে
Supplementary list item number 4.
but your lordship kindly sees
হয়ে গেল না 22177 22177 হয়ে গেছে তো
WPA number my lord
yes
22179 lordship just called
22179 is over
yes over
189.
22189
22189 yes
supplementary list 6
yes Howrah my lord
this is Howrah
yes A category scale my lord that is at page 62
very well same order এটা হয়ে গেছে এক্ষুনি হয়ে গেছে
দুটো হলো তিনটে হলো সব না প্রথমে একটা হলো এইটা দুটো এটা তিনটে কোনটা দেখছি WPA number is not
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ চারটে হয়ে গেছে
এটা
এটা কি জয়সেন গুপ্ত
তোমার এটা করতে পারো বলে দিচ্ছি
পিটিশন
আমি
the
বলছি
petitioner there
আমার
what about item number 1 and 2 of today's supplementary list
অনেক টাকা দেওয়ার ব্যাপার আছে তো এটা রিপোর্ট নিয়ে
এগুলো করে দেবে
এই benefit of 5.
ভাই তাকে আমাকে I have to take the instruction
well deeply obliged
my four matters is
Signing for.
ভাই instruction ছাড়া
আমার তো সাপ্লিমেন্টারি লিস্টটা দিন না।
গভর্নমেন্টের টাকা চলে
Pradeep,
ডেলি লিস্ট
Pradeep.
হয়ে গেছে, ডেলি লিস্টটা হয়ে গেছে। আইটেম নাম্বার
আমরা
14
mention
ডেলি
করবো
লিস্ট
না?
ভেকেশন কোড না।
No, no, no.
সিরিয়াস মামলা কেন
সাপ্লিমেন্ট কত একটা আমাদের লিস্টে। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ও
Four 87, my lord. In this matter, I am for the state respondent. My lord, let it be. No, no, no. Let my lord, let it be taken up after vacation, my lord.
After
6
vacation,
years, my lord.
nothing
Benefit
Very good,
or
nothing
should be
doing.
given to them.
They
ঠিক আছে
cannot help.
বাবা।
They are opposing, cannot help.
No, no. I said only.
What about the other one? What about the other one?
522.
Is it the same thing?
Same.
Then after vacation, don't
After
give.
vacation, now করো না। আরে ঠিক আছে। পরের বারে
আচ্ছা।
করে দেবে না। আমরা একটু দেখে নেই। Corrected কে কি করে? কে বলতে বললি না?
7.
এগুলো হয়েছে কি বলিনি?
কালকে বললি না?
Item 7 is the petitioner there.
এখানে
Monju Maiti and others.
এই দাঁড়াক না কেন? আমার তো ছবিটা পারবো না এখন এটাই বলো।
Why am I calling now?
ঠিক আছে বাবু।
Supplementary list. This has not been my lord, published.
Yes.
কোথায় আপলোড হলো? এই দাও তো ব্রিফ দাও। I'm for the petitioner, just to the
Lordship would appreciate.
But I think, my lord, your losses hear my learned friend first.
No, no, I was saying something.
Know what the
different.
matter is about.
I know everything because I will be
What is
intercepted by
now?
the other side.
I
I
did-
find this is the recent
No,
development.
was
Respondents
I
try
going to
speak
talk
fast.
about the case?
No, no, no.
No, I was just saying that I rushed from 7:59. That was what I was going to tell the judge. You always presume a lot of things.
Presume not lot. I am not presume lot of things.
Yes.
I found it yesterday also. Before placing the matter by the
Is the state represented here? State is not required.
state is not required. My lord,
It is the
AICT I have
university.
served, my lord.
AICT, yesterday the matter was taken up. Since AICT council did not appear, my learned friend was asked to give another notice to AICT.
Who appears?
My lord, I am
Debu
appearing for
Chaudhary.
AICT, my lord. My lord, I have received the copy yesterday, my lord. I am appearing through VC, my lord. There is a little bit of technical defect in my video, my lord. I cannot open
All
it.
right.
But I have received the copy, my lord, yesterday.
Very well. Yes.
No, I tell you, lordships, I have got approval from AICT for.
Who are you?
My lord, I am for the institute.
You are the institute.
I take
And
your
the
losses.
president
But, my
secretary.
lord, I have to take your losses 2-3 pages. Your losses
Yes.
for the order. My lord, page 75. The losses will get it. This is scrutiny evaluation report by AICT. My lord, before grant of approval, this inspection is made. My lord, without approval, no institution can run. This is the apex body under the Central Act. Now here your lordships will find the relevant page. Your lordships at page 77. But I have different courses. Along with this year, I applied for 3 new courses. Your lordships will find at the top, category-wise applied, increase intake on new course. Then your lordships will find column 3, NOC from affiliating university. That's been Macau. Document is not required. That means NOC is not required. Then your lordships, kindly see the just bottom that engineering and technology. This is the new subject, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Your lordships now take your lordship page 135. My lord, this is dated, my lord, 26 June 2024. Now your lordship find your lordships subject online application of the institution submitted for extension of approval for the academic year. In terms of the provisions of such and such, my lord, I am directed to convey the approval. Your lordship at the bottom. Undergraduate engineering and technology, artificial intelligence and machine learning. My lord, 60 student intake. Has your lordship got that one?
Yes.
So this is the approval along with your losses. The other subject, your losses will get it in the next page. This is the new subject along with your losses. Kindly come to next page, page 36. Malak, page 36, bottom 2 subject, BCA and BBA. These are non-technical, but your losses, this was also new course applied for. So approval given along with the existing courses, the 3 new courses. Clear to you?
Here also approval is given.
Here your lordships.
In terms of
Approval of the other subject also given.
technical and subject, I am directed to convey the approval to such and such to conduct following courses with the intake. Artificial intelligence.
Except these three new subjects, all are existing courses, my lord.
All right, to conduct with the intake in the. All right.
Yes, your lordship. Now, this is your lordship. Kindly take note of this date. Approval 26 June. So I applied your losses before.
Earlier.
Now your losses kindly come to page 40.
Page?
140. Malad, this is of university, affiliating universities notification, 4th January 2024. Now your losses kindly the 4th paragraph from the top.
Yes.
The management of the existing college applying for any new type of new approval of AICT. That means, Malad, the three subjects. As stated in AICT public notice is hereby requested to intimate the office of the undersigned within 16th February 2024. So, Malad, if I apply for approval to the AICT, I have for any new courses, I have to intimate them. This, your lordships, kindly see the table, your lordships. 1, to start new program or level in the existing institution. But I am running from 2006 institution. So these are the new program, 3 programs, apart from my existing programs. Now your losses kindly come to page 140, Malad. Page 142. No, your losses, Malad, I will come to page 142 later if necessary. Your losses stay to 146 because I should be concise, your loss. 146. Now, pursuant to that notification of 4th January 2024, I intimated on 15th February. Kindly, your losses, look that. This is as per resolution of the board dated 20th January, we have applied for the 3 new courses. So your losses, 15th February. 16th February was the last date to intimate to just for formal intimation. Kindly see, I have applied. I have intimated that I have applied for this. Now your losses, kindly consider page 149. After getting approval, I applied for Malad, affiliation. But kindly consider 6th June 2024. They said that there are certain deficiencies. Malad, these were admittedly removed. I'm not taking your losses to the documents I have annexed. Admittedly, there is no quarrel about it. At least, Malad, as far as my case is concerned. Now your losses will find page 160. No, just before that. Malad, I take your losses before that. Just a minute. Malad, page 166. Malad, I will take your losses to the program of affiliation and admission. That's not a part of it. That's a loose sheet I will hand up to your lordships. But kindly see, this is 8th August 2024. This date is very vital. Now your lordships kindly see, this is hereby notified for information of all affiliated colleges that the affiliation related fees. But every year I have to take approval and affiliation. This is the law, my lord. Every year, even if my existing institution, for the existing courses also, will be received by the finance department of the university through online receipt system as done in the previous academic years. To that effect, the finance officer of the university is being requested to issue necessary notification given the bank details. All directives as will be mentioned in the notification of the finance officer of the university to be issued are required to be followed strictly. The affiliation related fees to be remitted by the respective college as enclosed in separate sets. Not, I need not proceed further. What I am on, your lordships, that this shows that even on the 8th August, affiliation fees were to be accepted by the university. So process of affiliation was not completed. But your lordships, according to their own program, this has to be completed by 31st of July. So even if your lordship, they extended this program, so they didn't stick to their own guideline or program. Now your lordships will find page 169. Your losses kindly consider this is 13th August 2024. This mail we received. Kindly have a look at this. Kindly see the attachment regarding the matter cited in the subject. Kindly come to page 170. Your losses is revised affiliation related fees for the academic year 24-25. Your lordships will find, so for all the courses, I take your lordships to the civil engineering. There are two type courses, one technical, another non-technical. Now your lordships will find civil engineering, applied for variation intake course. Even if I, your lordships, reduce my intake, I have to take a permission for both. So in the civil engineering, I reduced my intake from 60 to 30. So I had to take approval. I got approval. I applied affiliation. What they say, your lordships, on 13th August, processing fee of NOC. Mark it here. No objection certificate, which was required, your lordships, by the AICT. They said this is not required. But your lordships, they say you have to pay the fees of NOC. On 13th August, I paid it. But your lordship, kindly see the last two bottom, UBA and BCA. I paid it. This is two new courses, non-technical. But your lordships will not find, your lordships, that particular course, the course named as CAC-AIML, that artificial intelligence and machine learning. Their case is that when I got the approval, I didn't take their NOC. I am taking your lordships. There is no law of the university that I have to take your NOC. There is a handbook of the AICT that proposes or stipulates that NOC is to be taken from affiliating university in respect of all new courses. Technical, non-technical, there is no differentiation. Now here, your lordships, they, according to their inspection by AICT, said that's not required. They gave me approval. Now,
not required for any of the courses.
Your lordships, kindly see, at least for the impugned courses.
All right.
Therefore, impugned courses, your lordships, 77.
Artificial intelligence and machine learning.
That's not required. I'm on that only, my lord, because I have got the others affiliation. Now, what they say, they will not give the affiliation because of this.
Page 77.
Yes, your lordship.
Where it is mentioned artificial intelligence.
Just column number 3, program, your lordships, in black. Thereafter, engineering and technology, artificial intelligence. As your
yes,
lordship.
go right side. There is one recommendation.
Recommended. That's your lordship. This is inspection report.
All right.
They say recommended.
What is this SC recommendation? SC means?
Malad, where your losses? SC means malad, scrutiny malad, your losses. This is a committee.
Scrutiny committee.
Scrutiny committee.
All right.
Your losses. Then your losses get the approval 135. I place with your losses. So malad, after approval, kindly look at once malad 135.
Application.
Approval. Very first one is malad AI machinery.
Technical and artificial intelligence.
Then your losses in the next page will get other approval courses.
Who is standing in the way? University?
University. I tell you, losses. University says, I didn't take their NOC. Your losses, kindly consider the last and the impugned order or impugned communication, 174. But kindly see the middle portion. In respect of para 3, it is to there was communication exchange between the parties. Everyone wants to come before the court at the last resort. Everybody wants to settle it. They wanted to do it. To say NOC is a mandatory requirement as per point 2.3. I give you a lordship point 2.3. Mandatory. This is they are saying this is mandatory because of AICT's handbook. But there is no handbook of them requiring it. Kindly, this is the differentiation. AICT handbook says NOC required. On inspection, they say no, not required. They grant approval. Then I have to, on approval, I have to take affiliation. They say you have not taken NOC as per AICT.
Scrutiny committee is of which authority?
AICT. Your losses, kindly have a look at page. I gave you a losses very starting page. Page 177. And continuation page 77, 75 and 77. এইটা বার করে দাও না, তোমার তো কোনো খুঁজে পাওয়া যায়। Or kindly have a look at this handbook. This is a procedural, there is no statutory. Yeah.
Your Lordship, that is not the complete handbook. That's
all right.
extracts of the handbook.
Your Lordship, kindly consider this is the point. They have also mentioned 2.32. Now, kindly go to the headline of it. I'm on the headline also. 2.32, I will take your losses. They have mentioned it. Documents to be submitted at this time of scrutiny committee for approval of an existing institution. I am an existing institution. Applied for change of site, location, conversion of women's institution into co-ed institution, conversion of diploma level into degree level, vice versa, to start a new program. Would you also get it? Start a new program. There is no differentiation between technical and non-technical. Now you'll also column 3, no objection certificate from affiliation university. But what
is the problem now?
Problem now, they say, since you have not taken no objection certificate at the time of approval from the university, even though approval is giving, they will not give the affiliation. As a result, I can't take admission. Admission process is almost going to be over. Now, my point to your lawsuits is that I'm showing your lawsuits, your affiliation program sheet. Just give me the program sheet. They have, according to their program sheet, 31st July was the last date. But your losses, if that is the last date, how can they take your losses, my affiliation fees in respect of other programs on August 8 and August 13? Communication, that's the 2 pages your losses I have given.
Just tell me one thing. You applied for 3 new courses. The document that you relied at page 77 says that
NOC not
NOC
required.
not required, which means in none of the 3 courses, NOC is required. Now they give you permission.
Approval
for 2 courses, barring 1.
All the courses.
All the courses barred.
All.
But then they accepted the fees also.
No, that's your lawsuit approval given by AICT. Now I have to apply on the basis of approval for affiliation. I applied for affiliation. They gave in respect of all courses except this one.
The other 2 they have given.
All. That's I'm showing your lawsuit.
The new course 3 out of 3 new courses, 2 have been
Other
allowed.
2 given.
One is
One. That's probably they will be saying those 2 are non-technical.
All right.
This is technical. But I am on that 2.3 says in respect of any new state program. First, you can't differentiate. This is one. Then second thing, your lawsuit, this is the handbook of AICT. If the approving authority says I don't require, how could you impose that condition upon me? And if that show you, this is second. Third, you are taking a point that everything is going over. Last date is over, 31st July. After 31st July, you have given me 8th August. That means you are extending the time. Then 13th August, you are further extending the time. Then what am I fault? Little fault on my part is there. I'm coming today before your lawsuits. I ought to have come up 10 days before. That cannot be a point to lose a total program. Because I will lose the entire academic. I will lose the entire infrastructure because I prepared it. It's a self-finance college.
Well, you are over.
That's the point.
AICT, is anybody there?
My lord, I'm there, my lord.
Do you have any objection if the courses continue? Admission is taken.
No, my lord, as an interim measure, we don't object. My lord, the only thing I pray is that, my lord, we will be given an opportunity to file our opposition, whereby, my lord, I will clear on the points which Mr. Sanyal has raised on the 3 new courses, as well as on the course in which he has reduced his intake capacity from 60 to 30. Whether in all these courses, no objection is required for an existing institution or not. This I will clarify in my opposition, my lord, along with the approval process handbook. I will present before my lord. And as of today, my lord, we don't object if any interim measure is order is given as to the continuation of admissions.
Well, kindly,
Lordship,
my lord, I
yeah.
request my learned friend and I pray for losses. Kindly let them file a report because it's an admission and a course, so that immediately after
Interim measure, he says he does not have any objection. So
Lordship,
thereafter, whether it's a report, whether it's an affidavit, report by way of an affidavit or an opposition.
Anything
Continue.
that my lord directs, my lord.
I understand.
Lordship,
may I
may
take
I?
your leave, your losses? Kindly
Lordship,
permit me. No,
Now leave will be. Now where will this court go?
my lord,
I have also taken
no, I
leave.
will keep some other
No.
competent junior.
I will take leave.
No, my lord.
Yes, yes, you are.
Lordship, may I hand over to your Lordship a set of papers?
Yes.
Lordship, this morning I also got another.
Forget your losses, past date, your loss. If we have to, my lord, the last.
Lordship, I shall also hand over to your Lordship extracts of the handbook. আমি একটু পরে দিচ্ছি আমার কাছে একটা extra নেই Lordship, this is also the extracts from the handbook. What is the duty of the scrutiny committee? Your Lordship, the scrutiny, I shall take your Lordship
Tell
to,
me one thing, if there is some fault on the part of the scrutiny committee of AIC.
your Lordship, they did not have the power. I have asked AICT to probe. All colleges have taken NOC. What was the special reason? How this has been, Lordship, I'm using a very unparliamentary word. How was it managed? My question is, how was it managed? Because their rules provide for NOC at the beginning of the program. Lordship, I shall take your Lordship through each of the papers which says,
as an interim measure,
Lordship, let the AICT come.
Yes, let them AICT
No, let
come
them
and
say
disclose
on
everything.
paper, Lordship, categorically state, Lordship, I shall take your Lordship through certain papers. Lordship, it's my duty towards my client.
Filed by way of an affidavit?
No, but
so that
but
you can
Lordship,
take it up with AICT.
no, because if they take the admissions, what wrong did the other colleges do by taking the NOC, and what was the special reason why they are not being allowed?
Yes.
The power of the scrutiny committee is only to verify documents. They went out of their way to say that this is not required. It is not within their capacity to say that it is not
So you
required.
please take it up with AICT and let everything come by
Lordship,
way of
let
an affidavit.
AICT say it that they are not objecting today on paper, because it is their rule that
I'll
I'm.
record his submission.
Lordship will kindly, for a minute, for my satisfaction, take up this particular annexure, Lordship. I've handed over to your Lordship for list of papers. Lordship kindly comes to the second page. No, I will not even take your Lordship to the second page, the third page. To start new program,
Yes.
the existing institution seeking approval to start new program level, that is 2.7A, shall apply on AICT web portal along with extension of approval for the existing program and course with the additional documents as per annexure 2 of the approval process handbook. I have handed over to your Lordship. The next page is annexure 2. Kindly comes to page point 2.3. Documents to be submitted at the time of scrutiny committee for approval of an existing institution applied. II says no objection certificate from affiliating university board in format 2. I have given the format also, your Lordship. Format no objection certificate, that is after 2 pages, your Lordship, the format. So the scrutiny committee cannot say that this is not required. It was a document they had to verify. They were required to verify that. Kindly records my statement that they were to verify, and therefore I have, Lordship will see the next, the 2 letters after that.
Yes, yes, please come.
Lordship, there is a probe that I have asked for. Kindly records that. Kindly comes to letter 29/7/2024. Lordship, I have written to the Member Secretary, All India Council of Technical Education. It may kindly be recalled here that NOC of the affiliating university is mandatory in respect of starting new courses as per AICT approval handbook. The university is required to issue NOC as per format 2 prescribed by AICT, page 202 of the APH, that is the approval handbook.
The registered
respective
society,
college has
petitioner
to
number
observe.
1 is a registered society, and the petitioner number 2 is its secretary. Stop.
It is not understood how AICT acted without NOC of the
averred
affiliating
in the writ
university
petition
in terms
that
of
it runs the institute.
And your Lordship, may I make one practical problem, Lordship, the university is closed now for Puja vacations. It will only reopen after the 21st, Lordship. So therefore, at this moment, even if your Lordship passes an order, I will not be in a process to grant affiliation. I'm handing over to your Lordship the AICT calendar. Lordship, may I just hand it over to your Lordship, the AICT calendar, which says the last day for granting affiliation is 31st July 2024. That date has passed. What my learned friend was showing is that for the other courses which are running already, we have accepted fees later. But in this particular AI/ML, Lordship, we have not, because they did not come within time, Lordship, according to us. And since they did not provide the NOC, which is a mandatory requirement according to me, I could not have granted it. And I've asked for a probe that how was this particular college allowed to give an approval without the NOC of the university.
It runs an institute and
and with
students
other
are
two courses,
admitted.
Lordship, may I explain that BBA and BCA were non-AICT courses?
For the interim relief, it's not required. কি বলে? And students are admitted in various courses which are approved by the AICTE. Stop. The institute is affiliated by the Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology, within bracket MAKAUT. Stop. The petitioner applied for approval of 3 new courses, semicolon, 2 technical and 1 non-technical. Stop.
Lordship, 1 technical and 2 non-technical.
Achha, 1 technical, 2 non-technical. The AICTE and MAKAUT both have granted approval and affiliation to the non-technical courses. But the technical course which the petitioner applied for,
artificial intelligence and machine learning,
namely artificial intelligence and machine learning, is yet to be affiliated by MAKAUT. Stop. According to the petitioner, AICTE intimated that no, within quotes, no objection certificate will be required for starting the new course. Stop. Accordingly, the petitioner did not obtain NOC from MAKAUT. Stop. The learned counsel representing MAKAUT submits that NOC is mandatorily required in respect of all new courses which are to be
non-technical courses, Lordship.
Achha.
Because on those 2 courses were non-AICT courses, they are being run by all colleges, and for them,
for technical you require. Achha. Eta?
Lordship, page 170.
No, technical course. In respect of technical course. Stop. Paragraph. The learned advocate representing the petitioner submits that the admission
Lordship would
process
kindly record
cannot
one more
continue,
statement.
because MAKAUT is not granting affiliation and the petitioner is not in a position to collect money from the students for admission. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing MAKAUT submits that the last date for admission is over. Stop. The university has...
For affiliation is over, Your Lordship.
Achha, for affiliation is over.
And Your Lordship...
The university has gone to vacation and will reopen only on the 21st of October 2024.
Lordship, may I just point out one more thing? Lordship, the powers of the scrutiny committee. Lordship,
The university is not aware as to how and why AICT informed the petitioner that NOC will not be required for starting the new course. A probe has been called for by Macaut against AICTE.
no, I have asked the AICT to probe how they have got the approval. I have written a letter, Lordship, dated
Called for Macaut, not against, requesting AICTE as to how such a communication has been made by AICTE intimating that NOC will not be required for approval.
Lordship, they have not communicated. They have given approval. I have said that I have asked by my letter dated 29/7/2024 to probe how they could have
how approval was given in the
without the
absence
NOC of the
NOC. How approval was given in the absence of NOC. Next paragraph. A learned advocate representing the AICTE has submitted that as an interim measure, the council does not have any objection if the institute proceeds with the process of admission.
My lord,
Yes.
on behalf of the AICT, I have submitted that, my lord, we need time to file. We be given an opportunity to file
Yes,
our
yes, that
opposition.
will be recorded.
We will clarify all the stand. In the meantime, if my lord grants any interim measures, we don't stand in the way, my lord.
All right.
Because we have already given our approval,
The
my
council
lord.
intends to clarify their stand by way of an affidavit. Next. Macaut also intends to file an affidavit to disclose their defense. Paragraph. As it appears that the petitioner has already started the process of admission in respect of the other courses.
Yes, other courses.
Regarding artificial intelligence and machine learning, approval has already been given by AICTE. Accordingly, as an interim measure, the petitioner is permitted to proceed with the admission process, subject to the result of the writ petition. Next. The respondents are directed to file affidavit in opposition within a period of 3 weeks after reopening of the court, after the ensuing puja vacation. Reply, if any, be filed within a fortnight thereafter. Liberty to mention the matter.
Lordship,
for inclusion in the list for hearing
Lordship,
upon notice to the other side after completion of affidavits.
Lordship, just two things. One, the date of my letter, 29/7, the letter, probe letter that I have written is 29/7. And just the other thing, that the scrutiny committee did not have the power to say that no objection is not.
Do whatever you like in your affidavit, you can disclose all stand.
Records my submission kindly. That the scrutiny committee did not have the power to say that NOC is not required, because that is under the handbook. They are only to verify the document.
All steps taken in the matter during pendency of the writ petition shall abide by the result of the same.
Lordship, no equity in respect of the students who will be admitted. In the case, it is found that they had to take an NOC. Lordship, the students will come forward now and say, we have been admitted, where will we go? Kindly makes that clear.
The grant of admission will not give any equity or right in favor of the students who will be admitted in the subject course
AIML.
Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning.
Lordship.
My lord, and my lord, that portal, my lord, they'll just upload our names.
Lordship, we cannot do it before the, on
My lord, in the
vacation.
portal, my lord, just that
We
they'll have to
cannot do that
upload the name of
during
the
the
university,
vacation.
my lord, of the college, my lord, in the portal, my lord.
Lordship, I cannot.
After the reopening of Macaut, after the on 21st, the university shall update its portal and reflect the name of the institute therein.
My lord, for the AIML course, grateful, my lord.
For the course AIML.
Grateful, my lord.
I'm grateful to your lordship.
Can I take your lordship's indulgence?
Grateful.
On item number 14, your lordship has been pleased to dispose it of
Yes.
item number 14.
Yes.
But I will not. No,
Now only mention question. Yes.
14, I'm told by your lordship court officer that it has been disposed of by your lordship. But I will not stand in the way. But the matter was actually item number 497 in the yesterday's list. And no intimation, nothing else by the petitioner to me.
But then the court directed everybody to give notice to all the parties.
No, but
if it is your members, go fight it out with
that's
them.
right,
What can
that's
be
right,
done?
But some information should be given.
Certainly. I
But
deprecate
497,
practice
suddenly will item
where other side is not intimated. I deprecate it. I do not accept it. But I was told notice was given. Then only the matter was taken.
Notice was not
I
given,
do
but
not know. Please.
I'm not telling lie before the court.
No, certainly.
However,
It's all right.
lordship, kindly, my lord.
1 minute.
Kindly, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Das. I intimated you. Where is the petitioner?
Only, my lord, kindly,
Where
my
is
lord.
the petitioner?
My lord, record my name, my lord.
No, since you are not there, your name cannot be recorded.
I have come here, my lord.
If at the time of call, if you are not there and if you come later on,
Then
it
your
becomes
lordship
very
kindly
difficult.
ask him, my lord. I'll come at 2. Whether intimation has been given, let him show.
It is
Let him show, my lord.
very unfair. This
Unfair.
practice the court does not
let him
permit.
show. Yes, this is intimation. Your lordship, kindly inquire about. Kindly, I'll come at 2 p.m. I'll inform him.
Yes, please.
Lord,
Yes, Mr.
gift of
Das.
life to Lord.
An order was given by the court, possibly, and you have acted
Lordship,
in
I
accordance
actually
with the
asked
order.
my officer that is the holiday is going on due to Puja vacation. My officer told me one day assistant engineer actually called upon the petitioner for actually doing the job your lordship assigned to us. And now, my lord, the vacation is going on, my lord. They will look after the matter on 19th or 20th.
After it reopens.
Reopens, that is after Lakshmi Puja, my lord.
Possibly he is the private respondent and he is not the petitioner.
Lordship.
Maybe I do not know what the matter is about. Court passed certain orders and your officers have acted. It is all right. What he says is his articles have been thrown out and this, that. I do not know what it is.
Lordship.
The court has intimated this person to come up with an application. He does not know how to move with it. This is the reason I was told you are there and I just called you.
I'm giving the number of the contractor. My officer actually contacted with who is actually doing the job. That is the contractor of that particular project for actually debris and other things.
Please speak to him. If anything can be done, please help. This much I can say. What is it? What is it?
আমার ঘর ভালো ভালো ঘরকে আমি 25/8/2000 বেরিয়েছি রান্না করে খাওয়া দাওয়া করে আবার রয়েছে সেই অবস্থায় আমাকে দুষ্কৃতকারীরা দেখেছে আমার ঘর ভেঙে দিয়েছে ভেঙে দিয়ে বলছে আপনি ভেঙে গেছে এটা মিথ্যা কথা
মিস্টার দাস
এবং আমার তারপর আমার ছাদ ফুটো করেছে আমার ঘরের ভেতর অনধিকার প্রবেশ করে
আপনার নিজস্ব বাড়ি
হ্যাঁ
আপনার কি নিজস্ব বাড়ি
না আমি ভাড়াটে পুরনো 50 বছরের ভাড়াটে আমি টেনেন্ট
landlord must be doing something.
Doing something, my lord. Your pursuant to your lordship's direction, the whole thing is happening.
No, pursuant to the lordship's direction, court passed order to demolish maybe some construction which is dilapidated or ruinous. He says his portion is completely all right. I do not know.
Our perception is the entire construction.
Yes, let them go and see.
লোয়ার কোর্টে আমরা এই বিষয়
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে আপনি লোয়ার কোর্টে গিয়ে বলবেন আর কর্পোরেশন এখন তো ছুটি হয়ে গেছে এখন ওনারা কোনো কাজ করছেন না 21 তারিখে কর্পোরেশনের অফিস খুলবে তারপর আপনি কি ইঞ্জিনিয়ারের সঙ্গে দেখা করবেন
আমার যে জিনিসগুলো আছে আটকে গেল আমি বের করতে পারিনি আমার খাওয়া দাওয়া আমি এক বস্তি রয়েছি 2700 টাকা পকেটে 25/8 থেকে আমি আজ পর্যন্ত রয়েছি বারান্দায় আমার ম্যালেরিয়া হয়েছে দেখুন
এখন কিছু করার নেই তো এখন কি কিছু করার আছে? কর্পোরেশন ছুটি পড়ে গেছে,
আমি বলেছি শুনুন, আমি বাইরে নাম্বার দিয়ে দিচ্ছি
বুঝতে পেরেছেন?
ম্যাডাম আই এম অ্যাকচুয়ালি
ইয়েস,
নাম্বার
আর আমার প্রচুর মামলা এর সঙ্গে জড়িত, যেসব কাগজ
ঠিক আছে।
আছে একটু আপনাকে দেখিয়ে দিই।
না, আমার দেখার কর্তব্য নয়, আপনি একটা উকিল বাবুর সাথে যোগাযোগ করুন, উনি দেখবেন।
আপনি আসুন
Yes, which item is it? 7.
First take item number 9.
Why will 7 not be taken up?
Both are similar, madam.
Both are same.
Same. Issue is that,
Oh.
my lord, initially we were appointed as Shoyka, my lord, and our retirement age was 65, my lord.
I am aware of the facts. Let me see the order that you are showing.
Justice Sengupta, by considering the judgment of Malay Justice, to show the court charge. But I paid the deficit court fee and this is my ego service. Mr. Jahan is there, my lord.
After 24th of September.
Yes.
No, after 20.
I was just wondering where were you? This bench has passed similar orders.
After the scenario has also been changed.
All right.
After 24th of September, Justice Sogata Bhattacharya was pleased to pass an order. Yes, it's less beneficial to them, so they must be allowed to revert back.
All right.
And that order has been passed. Following the same, others order is being passed, my lord. We are not standing on the way. So
All
lordship can pass the same.
Similar order we are paying for. And in this order, my lord.
Where is no? This is a big order. The court has to go through it. Where is your application or anything of that sort?
Please to the extent, my lord. Application, my lord. My petition.
No. Your application before the authority to be treated as para teachers instead of to be treated as shoikas instead of para teachers.
Issue certificate, my lord, that we have exercised option.
Yes.
Kindly come to madam, in the district of Uttar Dinajpur, my lord, no such certificate was given. And Malda also, my lord, kindly come to page 75.
Of which petition?
My lord, item was 7, my lord. Item was 9.
Acha, item 9.
Oh.
Mission director.
It starts from, my lord, page 70. 71 different candidates, my lord, of the district of South Usoma, my lord.
Samsung.
They have issued certificate to the extent that we have exercised option to get the benefit of para teacher. The option form is not with us, man. That is with the mission director.
আছে ম্যাডাম আপনার কাছে এটা আছে কি নাম এটা?
এটা হচ্ছে আলেবন।
Now your lordship is searching for their prayer to revert back, if I'm not wrong.
Yes. Where is that?
Page 192 onwards in item number 9. Munju.
No.
In Munju matter, there are two writ petitions, my lord.
9, start from, my lord, page.
Munju konta?
Munju is the first one. 192.
ওইগুলো
Yes.
আমি 9 বলছি।
Item 9, my lord, start from page 101.
আচ্ছা।
Page 192, is there any date? I don't find.
At the bottom left hand side. Bottom
Achha.
left hand side, date is 8th of August 2024.
All right.
Item 9, my lord, it start from page 101. We have expressly written that we are not intending.
Please come. Has court fees been paid?
Court fees have been paid, my lord.
Deficit court?
I have handed over the copy.
All right.
My lord, item 7, my lord, slightly different is that, my lord, some of the petitioners, my lord, after coming into force of that EPF order, my lord, they have extended they intended to receive the benefit of EPF. Only 7 petitioners, my lord. Because they, my lord, they are coming within the zone of pension, my lord. They are saying that when we have moved before this honorable court, at that point of time, no EPF benefit was given. Subsequently, it was given, so we have found that it is.
What you want now, those 7 persons?
My lord, they have received the benefit of EPF.
So they may be left out.
Left out, my lord.
Who are those
Madam,
petitioners? Give the
It is
names.
not 13, 15, 30, 31, 32, and 100. I'm giving a slip, my lord.
Yes, put it down.
So their name may be expunged from this.
This order will not be applicable in their case.
They're intending that they will continue up to 60 because EP benefit is beneficial to them.
কি বললাম, the petitioners were initially serving as সহায়ক/সহায়িকা in শিশু শিক্ষা কেন্দ্রস. Stop. They intended to avail the benefit given in their favor as para teachers. Stop. After notification was published disclosing the benefit to be given to the সহায়ক/সহায়িকা if they are to be treated as para teacher, they found that the same was not beneficial. Stop. The petitioners presently intend to be reverted back to the status of সহায়ক/সহায়িকাস. Stop. Paragraph.
And to work matter up to 65.
আচ্ছা, ওখানেই স্টপ করে লিখুন. The petitioners intend to remain in service till 65 years of age. Paragraph. Various writ petitions with similar prayer was considered by this court, and the court by judgment dated 27th September 2024 in WPA 24808 of 2024 within bracket Antara Pandit and others versus the state of West Bengal and others. Directed the concerned state authorities, including CAPS PBRSSM authority, to treat the petitioners as সহায়ক/সহায়িকা and the option submitted by them to be treated as para teacher has been directed to be treated as cancelled. In line with the above judgment, the instant as the facts of the case are similar to the case of Antara Pandit within bracket Supra, accordingly, in line bole jeta chollo. The instant writ petition is disposed of by directing the mission director to treat the petitioners as সহায়ক/সহায়িকা. Stop. And permit them to remain in service till 65 years of age. Stop. No benefit in respect of para teacher will be allowed in their favor. Stop. This will suffice, isn't it?
Yes.
The writ petition stands disposed of.
It is with regard to my lord item number 9.
This is with regard to item number 9. All right. And give me the numbers in item number 7 so that these names may be excluded. Same order will be there in item number 7. Add one line. The order passed herein above will not be applicable in respect of the following petitioners. Serial number, petitioner নামগুলো উনি দিয়ে দেবেন, সিরিয়াল নাম্বারটা দিয়ে দেবে, সেই নামগুলো লিখে দেওয়া হবে।
I am for the
Followed-
correspondence in item number 7, my lord.
Yes, please.
হচ্ছে খালি এই লাইন দুটো মাঝখানে add করতে।
মাঝখানে না, একদম গোড়ার দিকে বা শেষের দিকে দেবেন। এটা
Blood, being an officer of the court, blood, I should inform. Blood, just now, blood, I rang her. Blood, she said no notice is required. Mr. Onindo Lahiri was my leader. Everything has been disposed of. You give your name.
it is her submission will not do.
No, she is going out. She's Bonita Das. She's advocate in the court.
Yes.
I rang her because I found number from the petition. Blood, and she said no notice is required. But that's why, Lord, being an officer of the court, I should inform.
Yes.
497, and it comes out 14 today, but no notice, nothing else.
এটা 7 তারিখ।
Lordship, kindly consider that.
7 তারিখের এটা সই হয়নি না কিছু গন্ডগোল হয়ে গেছিল? সই হয়নি?
Before your Lordship,
Give
is your
me which item?
My lord, item number
আজকে সিরিয়াল নাম্বার 14 এর স্টেটের জন্য ওনার অ্যাপিয়ারেন্সটা রেকর্ড করে নেবেন তো।
14, serial number 14.
14.
Swapon Banerjee, Deeptendu Narayan Banerjee.
I have humble request, Lordship, item number 61. Kindly allow me to move in the vacation bench, Lordship.
Why?
There is a bit urgent.
Yes, tell me, let me know the urgency.
It's a transfer matter, Lordship.
Transfer matter urgency. All the offices will be closed during the vacation. Immediately after the vacation come, it will be taken up. There is a provision of that matter.
I apologize for my impertinence, my lord. I am humbly seeking for leave to mention a matter, my lord. It is of learned Justice Joy Sengupta's bench, my lord. So of grave urgency, my lord.
Difficulty is, I have taken up, I have accepted all mentionings and I have taken up the matter and it has been disposed of.
My lord, the counseling starts from tomorrow, today, my lord. My
If
lord,
that is so, you should have come at proper time.
My lord, I came to learn and I immediately.
If you come to learn late, nothing can be done.
My lord, the counseling starts from.
Move the vacation bench.
My lord, the counseling starts from today and it ends day after tomorrow, my lord. Is regarding third round of NEET undergraduate counseling, my lord. My lord, if my lord grants me liberty, I will come back at 2, my lord. The counseling starts from today and it will be over by day after tomorrow.
Who counseling of which course?
My lord, MBBS NEET undergraduate course.
We are in October.
My lord,
The course has started possibly long back.
The course has not started. The third round of counseling is going on. My lord, there are certain.
In October also the course has not started.
The third round of counseling is going on.
Those who took
My lord,
admission in the first round of counseling, the course has not started for them.
Has not started yet. The course, the counseling is still going on. It has not started. After this round, after the third round, even there will be a straight round of counseling. Then the course will start, my lord.
When does the course start?
In all likelihood, from November it starts. The courses commences from the month of November.
Who is your other side? Are you aware?
My lord, I am aware of. I am not aware of the name, my lord.
Then?
But my lord, he was present. I have his number. My lord, if my lord grants me liberty, I'll come back at 2. This of some urgency, my lord.
If you can come back within 5 minutes, then it is all right. Otherwise, I'm sorry, I cannot help.
My lord, I'll come back in 5 minutes, my lord.
Just 5 minutes. See, it's 12:05. I give you 1 minute extra.
My lord, the file.
File the court will take care. First, you intimate your other side.
My lord.
Which number is it?
My lord, item number 2 of my lord's list. My lord, the number is there.
Item number?
2. My lord, item number 2 of
Justice
Honorable
Sengupta's
Justice.
list?
My lord.
Item number 2 of Justice Sengupta. Get
My
the
lord-
file, please.
My lord, may
Bring
I,
your other side.
my lord, may I permit it with deepest request? Can it be possible, item number 100? Can it be possible to take up the matter today?
Which bench?
100,
Which list? This list?
yes,
100.
100 item.
What is the urgency?
My lord, urgency is that the husband has been driven out by the wife and it was assigned by your lordship from another bench. So first hearing has been done. My lord was very much pleased to call for a report from the Naranpur police station, and with a request that the husband is a school teacher, has been driven out by the wife. Wife is residing at my house and getting all sorts of benefit. Even I am giving the maintenance allowance since long. Even I was not permitted to see my minor daughter even since 7 years.
You are the husband.
Yes, I am the husband.
Uh,
Unfortunate husband.
the wife is staying in your house,
Yes,
and
yes.
you are outside.
Yes. And my some of the documents.
But I am not inclined. You please move after the vacation. Original side matter.
My lord, can it be
I'm
possible?
sorry.
My lord, can it be possible to fix a date after vacation? Kindly fix a date.
4th of November.
4th of November.
Yes.
100, item number 100.
Yes, yes.
Lord, I'm sorry to trouble your lordship today.
You are the petitioner.
Yes,
Right.
Lord,
What is
kindly,
the matter about?
kindly just take page 31. That's
4th
the
of
only
November,
relevant page
100.
in
3-1.
3-1.
Yes.
My Lord, I have been admitted to the London School of Economics.
4th of November, 100.
The classes have begun last week. I have been a topper all through my Lord educational life. 5 semesters, my Lord, I have been among the top 3 in the university. In the 6th semester, I have gotten the highest marks in 3 out of 4 subjects. In the 4th subject theory exam, my Lord, strangely and unexpectedly, I have been given only 17. 1-7. This is evidently, my Lord, some anomaly. My Lord, I have made an application for getting a copy of my answer script and also for, my Lord, revaluation. My Lord, revaluation hasn't been done till date. My Lord, classes have already begun.
Where is your application seeking re-evaluation?
My Lord, pages 39 and 40. 39, my Lord, is my application for revaluation. And my Lord, 40 is the application for getting a copy of the answer script. My Lord, if this is not done in time, my Lord, I will lose out on my admission. I will lose out on 1 academic year. And my Lord, this is a big opportunity for me, my Lord, to go to the London School of Economics. My Lord, classes have just commenced last week. My Lord, I haven't missed the bus. It's a conditional admission. My bank loan, my Lord, education loan also has been approved by the bank. Even those papers, my Lord, have annexed. But the money will not be disbursed unless, my Lord, I have my visa. And the visa will not be given unless my admission is confirmed. Because it's a provisional admission. My Lord, kindly now take page 31. Your Lordship will, my Lord, see the fourth subject there. Philosophical system of contemporary Indian thought. There, my Lord, your Lordship will see there are 3.
Theoretical, you got 17.
If that becomes 20, I'm through. But my expectation is this will be above 45, just like the other subjects. I've been a topper through and through. Otherwise, London School of Economics would not have given me admission. My Lord, if this becomes 20, I'm through.
Lord, opportunity, I appreciate. Expectation, I appreciate. That does not entail my learned friend to malign the university.
I am.
Please. I did not interrupt you. I did not interrupt
Please wait. Please wait. Let me
May I
see.
just
Paragraph 20,
may
my
I
lord.
just complete my submission? My Lord, my instructions are not to be, my Lord, hostile.
Yes.
There is a chance that the university might be vindictive. I'm being very cordial, my Lord. I have no complaints. I have no complaints against the university. It's a nice university.
I'll show the stand of the university. Paragraph 20, my lord, at page 8, he says that I have participated in the Arjikar procession, and that is the reason for the university to be
I'm not pressing
vindicated.
this. I'm not pressing.
And my vice chancellor.
Why did your advocate and record mention all these things in the affidavit?
Very unfortunate, my lord.
Should not
My
be.
lord will kindly
No,
see.
my Lord, kindly record, my Lord. I have no grievance against the university.
My lord will kindly
Even
see the
except for my-
graciousness of the vice chancellor even before, my lord, getting the copy of the writ petition. She has ensured that there is an early review of not only 1 petitioner, 7 students. My lord will kindly see the first paragraph of the letter that I have given to your lordship. Well, there is no.
As per the approval given by the Vice Chancellor, the following candidates applied for already have formally applied for
I'm not joining issue with
what is the stage of this re-evaluation?
My lord, the university is closed, my lord. It will be opening on 22nd. Soonest, my lord, we'll give it. But my lord, we deprecate these.
All right, that is deprecated. Now, 22nd, university is closed.
By the end of 24th October. The 24th is if can be done by the 24th. Well, I have corrected contract papers myself. 10 minutes per.
Listen, the court is not here to advise them how to re-evaluate
Your lordship
papers.
your lordship
Milord,
may
I have
consider-
Milord, series of judgments, Milord. The courts do not, Milord, usually, Milord, go into that arena, Milord.
No
Your
question
lordship
at
may
all.
kindly fix a reasonable time.
Milord,
Please come,
22nd,
come.
Milord, 22nd, the college has to send the papers, the answer scripts to the university, and the university will do the needful at the earliest. Milord, it cannot be said, Milord, it will be Milord, be done by 23rd.
Which college? Scottish Church?
Scottish Church, Milord, the college.
When
Like
is it?
to appear on
When
behalf
is
of the
it?
college.
When is it reopening?
It is reopening after puja around same
22nd,
26, 24 somewhere. Yes.
When are you?
Give me the proper date.
I need to take instructions on that.
Why did you not take it? The matter is so very urgent. The university is opening on the 22nd or 21st. I think from 21st everything is open.
Yes,
open.
21st onwards everything is open.
Everything.
Acha. The petitioner's prayer for evaluation of answer script in respect of the course Philosophical System of Contemporary Indian Thought, M.K. Gandhi, is pending consideration. Stop.
Your lordship, if I could just one indulgence, if I could just submit just 2 pages, 2 letters. One is for,
What does it say?
yeah, I'm just serving. There are 2 letters, one for the recommendation and one was for the expedition. We have done whatever we were supposed to on our part.
You have done means
To expedite, we
request
have-
for expedition.
It's a letter from the HOD. So
No, has the paper been forwarded?
yes,
It has. I am Associate Raj Kishore Mukherjee.
one on behalf of the HOD for the
Will.
recommendation, second was from the principal. Yes, it has.
It has
It
been
was
sent.
yes.
Okay, when?
Not exactly, but it was.
This is a letter of recommendation, possibly
This was for the college.
college to the
And
for
letter-
getting his admission.
Yes, and the second letter, your lordship,
Request for such and such. I accepted the.
date of 2nd September
I've recently been
for
accepted
the
into the.
fifth review of semester 6 paper.
What's the badge? Yes, Shambhu.
This is forwarded. Hmm. The university has received the paper on 2nd of September
That is not my instruction, Milord. Might be, Milord.
because he has got a receipt.
Paper will
Possibly,
come
I do not know exactly whether the question answer script has been forwarded or this letter.
But immediately after getting the writ petition, I had been to the Vice Chancellor. The Vice Chancellor had called upon the Controller, who has says there are certain formalities of the college to be performed. Thereafter, Milord, thereafter we take up the issue immediately. We have, in fact,
কি বললাম last line টা? Re-evaluation of answer script is before the University of Calcutta. Stop. Paragraph. The petitioner has already taken admission in the London School of Economics. And if the petitioner does not clear the examination, which he is currently pursuing from Scottish Church College, affiliated with the University of Calcutta, he will not be in a position to join the course in the London School of Economics. Which course is he admitted for?
BA honors philosophy.
BA honors philosophy. Next, the petitioner is 3 marks deficit of the pass mark. Stop. Next, the principal of the Scottish Church College has forwarded the request of the petitioner for an expeditious review of the answer script. In the month of September 2024, the University of Calcutta received the request of the petitioner on 2nd September 2024. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the University of Calcutta has placed before this court that the answer script of the petitioner has already been enlisted for early review. It has been submitted that the university is currently closed because of the ensuing puja vacation and will be open on the 21st of October 2024. Paragraph. The college is also in vacation. Paragraph. The college and the university both are directed to act in tandem and ensure that the answer script of the petitioner is positively re-evaluated by the 24th of October 2024. The petitioner may be made aware of the fate of the re-evaluation. The result of re-evaluation may be forwarded to the petitioner
along with revised mark sheet, if any. But because the mark sheet, my lord, the mark sheet has to be submitted in London.
How soon can it be done? Revised mark sheet also?
We'll do it. Possibly, we always create this pressure of 24th. Possibly nothing will be happening on 24th. 24th কিছু তোমার actually হবে. Let him, my lord, go and see the controller on 24th. The best will be given.
Done. Achha. May be forwarded to the petitioner online. If
keep shut.
A revised mark sheet is required to be issued, then the same shall be issued at the earliest.
Within October.
The university and the college shall ensure that the future and career of the student is not jeopardized because of any delay on the part of the authorities in re-evaluating his answer script. It will be open for the petitioner to approach the controller of examination for compliance of the direction passed herein above. The writ can be disposed?
Absolutely. Perhaps may not, my lord. Pendency of a writ helps, my lord. Your lordship would, my lord, appreciate.
It's not required when
Very well. List on 4th of November for recording further updates.
My lord, may I file?
The allegations, my lord, has not been, my lord, admitted, my lord.
The
My lord, kindly
allegations,
deprecate it.
the allegations made in the writ petition are not admitted by the petitioner or the respondents.
My lord, there are allegations on delay in, my lord, examination. Allegations of paragraph
Give me the paragraphs.
8. Paragraph 8. That's what my
Every
friend pointed
service
out.
is taken on record. Paragraph 8.
Yes, allegations in paragraph.
So many, my lord.
Paragraph 8 are not pressed.
8, 20, my lord.
Sorry. Yes, 20. 20 is not pressed. Sorry, my lord, 20.
Since the writ petition is being heard without calling for any affidavits, the allegations made therein are not admitted by the respondents.
Yes. My lord, my affidavit of service may be taken.
Yes, yes.
I am so grateful. My lord, wishing my lord a very happy vacation.
Yes, happy vacation to you too. Is the petitioner there? Yes. The file is here.
My lord, I'm trying to reach the other side. He's
Cannot help.
receiving
I'm
my.
sorry.
My lord,
You
there
can
is
place.
some there
What
is
is
some
it?
urgency, my lord. If I may state the facts in a nutshell, my lord. My lord, the petitioner had participated in the counseling process in the first and second round as an under the Indian quota.
Under the
Under the Indian quota, Indian
Indian
category
quota.
as an Indian. Subsequent, but she failed to get any admission in any college.
There are two petitioners.
My lord, two petitioners. One, my
Both
lord,
are
the first petitioner is of scheduled caste category and the second petitioner is of general category. Both of
first
the
petitioner is scheduled caste
my lord,
and second petitioner is of general
general
category.
category. My lord, I am being led by Mr. Chakraborty in
Yes,
this
yes.
matter.
Other side,
My lord, I am behalf of the university, my lord.
the lawyer for the state who was there. But I tell you, losses, this matter.
Who was there?
Khaja da ছিলেন।
DN Maiti? No, Mr. Yusuf.
Yusuf was there.
Yes.
Mr. Yusuf.
You can
He
get
tried to
Mr. Yusuf.
contact
Sanjay Mukherjee?
I'm told that he is hospitalized and Mr. Yusuf is not taking up the calls.
Maybe he is in inside courtroom.
Today is the last
Who is
day
the
of
answering respondent?
Lord Mr. Yusuf.
State is the answering respondent.
Medical Counseling Committee. Medical Counseling Committee, DME is the answering respondent.
All right.
Lord, my lord may have a look at the last order passed by Justice Sengupta. Last order, Lord, I tell you, lordship, Lord, in a nutshell, what is the issue here?
Report filed by the state is taken on record. Where is the, what does the report say? Personal public notice.
I'll have a look at the report. Lord, before that, may I just take 1 minute of your lordship's time? Just 1 minute.
Whether the candidate is an Indian or NRI?
Lord, the candidate is an Indian. To apply under the NRI quota, need not be an NRI. He can be sponsored by NRI, by an NRI. And there are certain categories which is fixed who can sponsor. I can go and buy a sponsor. That's not the problem. Lord, what happened is, these two petitioners, they qualified in NEET, Lord, undergraduate. But Lord, what happened is, they, Lord, could not secure any seat in the first and second round of counseling. I should be very candid to you, lordships. Before third round, they prayed that they should be, Lord, converted to NRI quota, because the NRI quota, there will be less competition. The fees are very high and competition is less. So that's why they qualified the benchmark. There's a cut-off marks which you need to secure. Then only you can participate in the counseling. Below that, you cannot. And the issue is whether I can convert from state quota to NRI quota in the counseling. In NRI quota also, it will be on the merit basis. Suppose I am in NRI quota, my learner fees on the NRI quota. The person who has got more marks.
Money factor comes in.
No, the person who get more marks, he will be selected in that quota. But there are less competitors. That's the only thing. So the state filed
less competitors because the money is
of course, because
so the money factor comes
my
in.
lord knows there's a donor quota for which no counseling is also required. In the premium medical colleges, there's a donor quota.
This is the reason the standard of
yes, there's a donor quota. Private medical colleges,
doctors are coming to such levels.
This is recognized everywhere. Now, my lord, only one thing. What happened is, state has filed a report. State has relied on one notification. But absence মামলা করাটাও তো উচিত নয় কি হলো could your lordship not come back at 2 p.m. Is it possible for my lord? Then I'll try to get him. It's not fair on my part to Lord move it ex parte because he was contesting it.
He filed his report.
He filed his report still, Lord. Kindly take up his report. I'll just show you, Lord.
I am told, your learned friend has told that this course will start from November, right?
No, counseling has started today. Counseling cannot be extended.
Yes. This
Counseling in terms of Supreme Court judgment, counseling cannot be extended. So if they allow me, I'll have to participate in the third round only.
No, but then since they are opposing, so it cannot be done without hearing them and without passing any judgment.
Can I come back at 2 p.m.? Is it
I
possible
am
for
not.
my lord?
No, sorry. I am not. Nothing doing.
No, no, it's not good to move and this matter ex parte, my lord.
Especially because this is so
No, no,
contested.
it may have, I mean, because tomorrow they will come that we have
Obviously.
stolen our, I will not do that. My first duty is towards the court, my lord. But kindly have a very, very good vacation.
Yes, yes, same with you all, everybody.